Hey guys, welcome to the Biotech Guru. This side Sunil Chaudhary, and in this video, I am going to discuss about how to make SOP and RP. So, basically, first of all, SOP and RP, statement of purpose and research proposal, both are different thing, not the same thing. So, in SOP, you have to mention about why do you want to join PhD in the particular institute in particular field. But when it comes to research proposal, you need to mention about your particular research area, like you want to do PhD in that particular research on your in that particular research topic, and how will you do this. You have to mention all about this. Second thing, SOP is a one page document, but research proposal is 3 to 4 page, or it can be 3 to 4 slides. And third thing, SOP can be so wide in a field of research. Like you can mention in that you want to work on in protein biochemistry or dev bio or microbiology field. But in in a research proposal, you need to be so specific. Like you want to work on Vibrio cholera, tuberculosis, or insulin, or any enzymes. That you have to be so specific in research proposal. So let's start with statement of purpose. How will you make your statement of purpose? So statement of purpose is divided in four paragraph. There are 4 paragraphs in statement of purpose. The first paragraph for your statement of purpose is introduction. You need to give introduction of yourself, that who are you, and from where you have done your bachelor and masters. Additionally, you can mention that what is your dissertation topic. In second paragraph, you will mention that how did you get interest in a PhD in a particular research field. Like if you want to do research in a microbiology field, then you have to mention that how did you get interest in that particular field. So by second paragraph, you will give them idea about how did you get interest in a particular research field. And additionally, you need to mention that why do you want to do PhD. Third paragraph is how your topic is economically and scientifically important for humanities. The fourth topic is the fourth paragraph is why do you want to join their particular institute. If you are joining the institute, you have to mention that why do you want to join their institute. So introduction, why do you want to join PhD, economic and scientific importance, and fourth paragraph is why do you want to join their institute. By writing this fourth paragraph, you can make your SOP. Now come to research proposal. For making research proposal, first of all, go through institute website, check scientist profile, and look out research area. Select your interest area, then read some papers related to that research area, so that you can get idea about that particular research. Now comes to research proposal. In first section of research proposal, you give topic background. You need to write about topic background, that what kind of topic it is. Like if you are interested in working on any protein secreted by particular bacteria like Streptococcus pneumoniae, so you have to mention about what is Streptococcus pneumoniae, how it secretes this protein, and how this protein act on host cell membrane in a host cell signaling. So you have to give a brief idea in topic background section. Second section of your research proposal is your objective. By reading paper, you will get some idea that what question still remain to find in that particular research. That question will be your objective. So you have to read the papers, and then you can find that question that still remain to find. That will be your objective. So the second section of your research proposal is objective. you will mention that that will be your objective, that you will work on that questions and find that questions answer. Third thing is, how will you find that question? Means like how will what will be solution for that questions, like in objective, if you were mentioned that in your objective that you want to find that function of that particular gene, so in solution section you have to mention that how will you find the function. You have to mention them, you have to give them idea about that how will you find the function of that particular gene. So like for example, uh, if there is a gene but their function is unknown, your objective is I want to find the function of this gene which is still remain unknown. In solution section you will write I will find this through gene knockout method. So that would be your solution. Then fourth section of your research proposal is methodology. Solution is gene knockout, but now you have to mention that how will you approach this solution, like what kind of instrument you use. And you don't need to write whole protocol of your methodology, you just need to mention that how will you approach that solution, that what kind of instrument you use, and how will you approach it. Again, objective, solution and methods, these three things you will get it from research papers. So you have to read so many research papers before writing research proposal. The fourth section of your research proposal is references. So if you are mentioning some methods and some objectives, you have to mention that from where you are writing this, from where you get idea for this method and this solution and these objectives. So in reference section you will mention that papers from where you get idea about that methodology, that objective and that solutions. So this four section are this fourth section is the part of research proposal, like topic background, objectives, solutions, means approach for that objectives, and methodology, and additionally fifth is references. So there are 5 sections in research proposal: topic background, objectives, solution, methodology and references. So by this 5 section you can make your research proposal. So by my experience, I just gave you that idea about SOP and research proposal. How will you make it better for your PhD applications? So good luck, all the best, and happy Diwali.